Hello and welcome to my video. In this video we going to learn how to convert video to images using two easy methods. Let's start. Method 1. Go to https://www.videolan.org. Click on Windows icon. VLC is a free and open-source cross-platform multimedia player and framework that plays most multimedia files, as well as DVDs, audio CDs, VCDs, and various streaming protocols. Click on Download button. Install. Right-click on VLC shortcut and run as administrator. Go to Tools, then Preferences. In Show Settings, select All. Go to Video, then Filters. Select Scene Filter. Right image format. After that, image width and height. -1 means same width and height as frame size. Write file name prefixes. Paste output folder location. You can select recording ratio whatever you want. Go to your video, right-click, select Properties, click on Detail tab, and check frame rate. You can write this value into recording ratio, or you can write custom base. I am going to write 1, so VLC will capture maximum frames of video. After that, go to Filters and select Scene Video Filter. Press Save button and close VLC. Again, right-click on VLC shortcut and run as administrator. Go to Media. Open File. As video play, VLC start capturing images from video file. Open image into image viewer. And, wow, VLC successfully convert video to images. Method 2. Go to https://www.dvdvideosoft.com products DVD free video to JPG converter.htm. Free video to JPG converter. Extract frames from video files to JPG files with one mouse click. It is an ideal tool to make photo galleries from your home video. You can extract, for example, every 100th video frame, or frames in every 10 seconds. Very fast and easy. Press download button. Install. Drag and drop video file. Set extract settings according to your need. I am going to select every frame. Paste output folder location. Click on Convert button. Open image into image viewer. Wow, free video to JPG converters successfully convert every frame into images. That's all for now. Keep watching our videos for more tips and tricks. Please subscribe and like our video.